Picture this with me. It's Christmas morning. The floor is covered in wrapping paper because the kids are tearing through their boxes, unveiling presents that they've been praying for all year long. And fast forward 6 months. The toys are forgotten about, the clothes don't fit, and the shoes are out of style. Let me ask you one uncomfortable question. What if this Christmas things could be different and you could gift your child something that they would be thanking you for 10 to 20 years from now? According to Google AI, the average American household will spend $1,000 on Christmas gifts this year. That's normal, that's expected, it's what everyone does. But what if you made one small shift? What if, instead of spending that $1,000 every single year, you saved it intentionally for your child? If you've been following my content, you know I'm a big fan of an account called an IUL. Let me explain to you how it works. No stock market crashes wiping out your money, no taxes when used properly, and absolutely no restrictions on how and when you access your money. Let's keep this simple. Let's say that you save that same $1,000 from birth until age 18. By the time your kid turns 18 years old, they could have approximately $28,000 in accessible tax-free cash value. And if they wait to access it until after college, they could have approximately $42,000 in accessible cash value tax-free. That money could help them pay down some student loans, fund a move for their dream job, maybe cover a down payment to a house or a car, or simply just give them breathing room financially that most young adults never have. Now imagine you save just a little bit more. Maybe you add in some of your yearly tax refund. Maybe you add in some of their birthday money. Maybe you redirect some unnecessary spending on more stuff into their IUL. And now maybe you're saving $3,000 a year. By the time your child turns 18, they could be looking at having approximately $75,000 in accessible cash value. And if they wait until after college to touch it, they could have approximately $112,000 in accessible cash value. That's sitting there accessible all tax-free if done correctly. That's life-changing. Now, I know it's tempting to buy your kids the latest gadgets and toys and clothes and shoes and this and that, but pause and think for a second. Back when you were 18, what would you have rather had? All these memories of all these toys that you don't care about or use anymore? Or a $30,000 to $40,000, maybe $50,000 financial cushion as you transition into your adulthood? Now, this isn't about stealing joy away from Christmas. You can still get your kid a few toys, especially if they're young and they still believe in Santa. Play into that. But the greatest gift your kids get isn't something that they only open once and use for just 6 months. It's a gift that quietly opens up doors for them financially throughout the rest of their life. If you're the type of parent that would like to gift your child a head start in life, this is a conversation worth having. If you'd like to see if one of these accounts can work for you, you can click the link in my bio or in the description below to get access to our calendar so we can provide you with a few free quotes. If you know any parents, please share this video with them and challenge their thinking on the Christmas and holiday season. As always, I've linked a few videos here that can walk you through how these accounts work in more detail. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss another video challenging your thinking when it comes to money. I'll see you back here next week on YouTube. Happy holidays.